Good morning, 8th grade. I just wanted to post a quick video for you guys on how to enter into your online textbook. Since we are having a remote class today, and I'm not too sure how many days after that with all the snow coming, I hope that you guys are being safe at home first and foremost. But since we are going to be working in our online textbook and reading a few things out of that, I do want to make sure that all of you completely understand how to get onto your textbook. So I am going to do a quick tutorial for you guys. Enter into your respective Google Classroom. I'm just going to use first and second period as kind of a standpoint. Okay, so you are going to hit the classwork button here. And we're going to kind of scroll down until we see online textbook. See right here, online textbook, the student edition. So we are going to click on that, and we are going to click on the link that follows. Yours might look a little different from mine, okay, but it should be the same sort of prompt. So you're going to say, take me there now, and it's going to pop up with a different screen from mine, obviously. So I'm going to quickly navigate here to get onto yours. Okay, so you should have seen the open in a new window. Just keep clicking through until your screen looks like this. It should be from Unit 1, the woman who has mud on her face from Rites of Passage. But we are going to see our three little lines at the top here with the menu button on the very top right. So we are going to click on that, and we'll see our table of contents. We're going to open that as well, and we are still in Unit 2. Almost done, but we are still in Unit 2. So we are going to click on that, and we are in the small group learning section today. So make sure that you click on that. We are going to be talking about mouse today. Okay, so finishing up with our reading from Art Spiegelman. If you would like to listen to the background again, you do have that available to you. But located right here is the entire text. It might be beneficial for you guys to look through this one more time just to make sure that you guys completely understand your Jumpstart Journal for today, as well as the informative report that you guys will be writing and the Auschwitz research slide project that we started last week, but we didn't quite finish it. So we are going to work on getting that completed today. So just so that you guys are clear, this is how you get onto your online textbook. I know that it's a little bit more difficult to read off of a screen, but we're going to make do. It's only for a little while. We'll make do with what we've got, okay? So that is for today. I just hope that everyone is doing all right. And if you need any extra help, any extra guidance, please send me an email or jump on to our Google Meet, which I do have directions for on your Google Classroom respectively. So how to enter into class. If you need absolutely anything beyond that, please don't hesitate to ask me. I will be here all day. I will be on the Google Meet waiting for you during your respective class period the entire time. So if you need to see this anymore, or you need an extra video for guidance, just let me know, okay? And everyone, again, please be safe. If you are traveling outside today after school hours, please, please, please bundle up. I don't want anybody getting sick. So have a great day, you guys. Enjoy your little bit of extra freedom learning from home. And I hope to see and hear from you guys soon. Bye.